I'm going to show you a hack that I learned of recently that's very important so that your slides and your gaskets work properly. So stay tuned, and I hope this helps you. One of the most important things that you have to make sure that you maintain properly on your coach is your slides. The slides are very, very important to make sure that they're properly lubed, whether they're the Schwintek ones or slide ones, to use the proper silicone and the proper lubricant so that you don't have any problem with your slides going in and out. The second issue is the rubber gaskets. We all know that sometimes these rubber gaskets don't deploy correctly. They get curled either when you pull them in or pull them out. Now these gaskets are very, very important for a number of reasons. First of all, they keep the dirt and dust out of the coach when they are deployed, and when they're in, they also keep them watertight. And when you deploy your slides, you also want that seal to be good, so if there's any rain, it doesn't come into your coach. Many times we have to adjust the gaskets with a pole or a stick or something to make sure that they fit correctly and the flaps are make a good seal. Sometimes that happens very easily, and sometimes that's difficult. You can see how that seal sort of goes in, and it's very difficult to get out from the ground. You probably got to use a stick or something to be able to pull it out. But with this little hack, I'm going to show you how that automatically those gaskets will flip in or out depending on the slide. And what I have used is some very basic auto trim, which you can get on Amazon, and I'll leave the link below. And installing this trim on the slides will give it that ability to flip open and flip closed. And so let's see how that all works. There are two very, very important conditioners that I use. I happen to like 3-in-1. They have a nice array of different ones. So this is the gold can, and this is a rubber seal conditioner. And what you do is at least quarterly, and depending upon how often you use your slides, you just spray this on very quickly and wipe it down. It keeps that rubber soft. It has some UV protection with it. It reduces the friction and the wear. It's water resistant, and it will maintain those seals very well. If you don't take care of their seals, then you're going to be spending a lot more money to replace them than to make sure that you do proper maintenance. So I'm using this 3-in-1 rubber seal conditioner, which will give it UV protection and make it supple, and you just spray a little on and wipe it down. It's as simple as that. You do it once a quarter, and these slide gaskets will be preserved, and you'll save a lot of money. So when you're putting the rubber sealer on the slides, you just stream a little all the way down, and then you just take a cloth and you just wipe it. Also, don't forget to do the outside seal as well, and just wipe it down. Also, I use this 3-in-1, which is the slide out silicone lube. This is important to be used on especially the Schwintek slides. It lubricates and waterproofs the slide mechanism and those teeth. It's anti-corrosion, and it'll extend the slide life. Remember, preventive maintenance saves you a lot of money in the long run. On the Schwintek slides, you need to get this groove here, okay? You don't need to put it on the teeth. You need to put it in the groove. So you just run a bead. So you just run a bead all the way down. So we're going to take that auto molding, and we're going to put it up here and bring it to the top and sort of measure it down to the bottom and cut it. So then you want to, with a clean, with maybe some wax remover or something, just to take any wax off so that you get a good adhesion, and it has that 3M sticker maxi glue in the back, and you put it up here and set it almost at the top. Try to get it as straight as possible and just firmly press it in all the way up and all the way down. Cut any excess so that it doesn't catch. Beautiful. As you can see, when the slide goes in, you see the way that seal has actually gone inside, and this piece will make sure that it stays inside. It's coming out, and that piece did exactly what it's supposed to do. It flipped that seal. Good. Brought the slide all the way out. Perfect. So, what's the bottom line to all this? The bottom line is maintenance is key. Look, you've got a major investment in your motorhome or your trailer, whatever has slide outs, and it's very, very important to keep these slides properly operating and properly lubricated and preserved. Especially if you're out in the hot sun, those UV rays will it'll rip that rubber apart if you don't keep it really lubricated and protected. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up. Give us a comment, make a comment. Is there any hacks that you have that you'd like to share with others? I learned this from somebody else, and hopefully somebody will learn it from me. Have a great day. Hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Look for us in the next video.